This project was submitted to the NASA Lunar Cycle Challenge in 2025. It proposes a symbolic zero-waste lunar system based on the universal constant 0/0, integrated with permaculture and AI. Our goal is to redefine sustainability in space with regenerative architecture and symbolic intelligence. Explore the technical paper on Zenodo and the full book on Amazon, links in description. I'll break down the lunar cycle submission using symbolic math, fractal architecture, and AI-based simulation. We'll go through the core hypothesis, I equals 0/0 as a universal constant, and how it applies to regenerative lunar design. Data from Zenodo is cross-linked with symbolic computation, and yes, this is testable. Feel free to engage in the chat, and if you're an academic, all links are available below. Today I'll explain what 0 divided by 0 really means, and why I use it in my NASA project. Let's talk about permaculture, how we can use nature's logic to design space habitats. This video is a quick guide to understanding symbolic AI and why it's useful for lunar systems. To learn more, visit my link tree, everything is there, books, videos, papers. This project was submitted to NASA's Lunar Cycle Challenge 2025. It proposes a zero-waste lunar system, where nothing is lost, not even meaning. At the core of this system lies a universal constant. 0 divided by 0, a collapse that symbolizes origin, recursion, and regeneration. This project was submitted to NASA's Lunar Cycle Challenge 2025. This project was submitted to NASA. In the beginning, collapse. Bearshit, reversed, reveals that light begins at the point of singularity. The constant 0/0 is not an error, it is a name, a doorway, a covenant. A symbolic tzedakah. When we recycle matter, we are redeeming form. When we collapse the wave, we are revealing law. This project is built on Aleph, Shalom, and Tzedek. The lunar system becomes a temple, not of stone, but of symbols. In every fragment of waste, a spark of divine information. What if 0 divided by 0 wasn't undefined, but fundamental? What if a What if 0 divided by 0 wasn't undefined, but fundamental? What if a lunar base recycled every atom with symbolic AI? What if NASA said yes to symbolic constants in zero-waste architecture? Watch. Collapse. Reboot reality. In this live session, we'll explore the full submission to NASA. We'll walk through the key features. Regenerative habitat using permaculture design. Waste transformation system driven by symbolic